I'm nervous, I'm sweating. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the quick fire assumptions challenge that everyone seems to be doing, and I am actually really nervous for some reason. I don't know why, but I am sweating all of a sudden. I've got Connor behind the camera ready to fire me some assumptions. Hello. Here he is. And I will tell you, well, if it's true or not really. After this intro is completely unedited, so whatever I say is whatever I say. Like, I can't change it. You will know the tea. I will be spilling it all. So let's just get into it, because let's just do it. Let's go.
The time starts now. You're going to be on a TV show this year.
Maybe. That's all I can say. Next.
You have sex. Oh my god. You have sex 3 times a day.
Depends how I'm feeling. No.
Or you've bought your social media followers.
How? Like, no. Like, no.
You've done a celebrity's makeup.
No, I haven't. I wish I did. I've only just like got confident like doing other people's makeup really since starting working at MAC, so maybe in the future I would love to do that, but as of now, no.
You left York because you hate everyone.
No. We left York because we just wanted like something new in our life. We were bored, everything was the same, like day in, day out, and I just wanted to like do makeup. Manchester is the place to be, so that's why I don't hate everyone in York, or anyone in York really.
You're not the same on camera in real life.
I'd probably say that I am, really. I think I'm pretty much exactly the same in real life. I'm quite over the top in real life, so yeah, I think it's just me.
You're always bubbly, aren't you, really?
Yeah.
You're pregnant.
No, I'm just fat.
No, you're not. You're bad at simple makeup.
I wouldn't say I'm bad at simple makeup, like just like foundation, like a smoky eye or something, but I just prefer to do like crazy makeup. I just feel more me and stuff, so I wouldn't say I'm bad at it. I'm not as confident with it because it's not what I usually do, but I wouldn't say I'm bad at it. No.
You have 6 figures in your bank account.
I wish I had 6 figures in my bank account. No, I do not.
Anywhere close?
No.
Your body count is over 5.
No, definitely not.
You regret moving to Manchester?
No, I definitely do not regret moving to Manchester. I think the time we moved to Manchester was really bad because there was about to be a global pandemic and we didn't know that, and that's kind of made it so while we've been here we've not been able to do what we really wanted to do and see the things we wanted to see and stuff, but what can you do? Like, what can you do? But no, I do not regret moving to Manchester. I love Manchester.
You're 30 years old.
What?
I don't know.
No.
It's an assumption.
I'm 22 years old.
Okay, you're rich.
No, I wish I was, but no, I'm not.
You've made over 5k on TikTok brand deals.
No.
Or you've made over 5k on one TikTok brand deal.
No, I have not made over 5k on one TikTok brand deal. No.
Your makeup collection is huge.
Obviously I do a lot of makeup, so I do have a bit of makeup, but I wouldn't say it's huge. Like, I've seen people with unbelievable massive makeup collections. I literally have like a drawer and a little bit in my cupboard of palettes. Like, I don't have that much really, no. It's not huge, no.
You've had cosmetic surgery?
Haven't had cosmetic surgery, no. I would like it, but no, I haven't.
You've had lots of makeup training?
I've had no makeup training as of now. Like, I've taught myself everything I know about makeup through like watching YouTube videos and just trying and practicing and sitting there for hours. So no, I've had absolutely none yet. I was gonna be going on training, but pandemic happened, so no, I haven't.
And time.
Really?
Yeah, time.
Oh, wow.
Assumption smash, done.
That is it. then, everyone, we have spilt the tea here today. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like watching these type of videos and finding a bit more out about me and seeing more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it. Check out my Instagram to see all of my makeup looks. It is BethCrawshaw_, and I'll put that on the screen now. And if you want to see my TikTok videos where I supposedly have made more than 5k on one brand deal, that is also just Beth Crawshaw. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!